Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 2022 square plus 1978 square is equals to what without using calculator. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 2022 we can write it as 2000 plus 22 whole square plus 1978 we can write it as 2000 minus 22 whole square. Now I'm going to use very famous identities a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So in the first case I'm going to use this identity and we can write this as 2000 square plus 22 square plus 2 times 2000 times 22 plus 2000 square plus 22 square minus 2 times 2000 times 22. Now we can cancel out this positive term with this negative part. So what is left? 2000 square is 4. 6 times 0 plus 22 square is 484 plus again 4 and 6 zeros plus 484. Now it becomes 8 0 0 0 0 0 0 plus 484 plus 484 is 968. It becomes 8000968. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.